Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix DoorDash error validating basket. So if you're currently also facing that same error and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what you're going to do, you're going to firstly exit your DoorDash app and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app and now you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now on this page, scroll down a little bit and then find where it says general and click on it, because then you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now on this page, scroll down a little bit and then click on storage in here and wait a couple of seconds for this one to load completely in here. The reason why you need to come to this page right here is because you will actually be able to find your DoorDash app in here and you will be able to actually fix all the bugs that was on that DoorDash app by simply doing this one thing that I'm going to show you. So scroll down in here, find DoorDash. I'm just going to keep scrolling down. I think it's actually way down below here. Just a second. I'm going to keep scrolling down. I'm sorry, I have so many apps. Okay, actually it seems that I, for some reason, scrolled past it. I apologize for that. Let's see if I can find it somewhere. Maybe it's up here. Okay. Oh, here it is. Sorry, guys. So DoorDash app, as you can see, I have now found it. So what you're going to do in here is to just click on Upload App. And then once again, click on Upload App in here, as you can see. And then click on the blue button here once again. Because what will happen now is that you will actually basically auto-update your app to the latest version. So you will auto-update your DoorDash app to the latest version by doing exactly this. And it will most likely fix this bug for you as well, because actually, as I said before, I had the exact same bug for me. It was not able to validate my basket for some reason. So I just did this, went back, tried again, and now it works for me. So I hope it will also work for you.